Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Hotwav Hyper 7, a rugged smartphone that promises to deliver a powerful experience without breaking the bank. First off, let's talk about the design. You've got that classic rugged look with the black and yellow color scheme. It's bold, it's distinctive, and it screams durability. And under the hood we're running Android 14. Powering the Hyper 7 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7055G chipset. This is a solid mid-range processor that's going to handle your everyday tasks, and even some gaming without a hitch. And of course, you're getting 5G connectivity for those blazing fast download speeds. Now, let's talk about the battery. This thing is a beast. We're talking a massive 10,800 mAh battery. That's enough to keep you going for days on a single charge. And when you do need to top up, you've got 33W fast charging and even 10W reverse charging, so you can juice up your other devices. For memory, you're getting 8 GB of RAM, with the option to expand that virtually up to 12 GB. And for storage, you've got 256 GB built in with the ability to expand that up to a whopping 2 TB with a micro SD card. That's plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. And speaking of features, this phone comes with a bright 280 lumen flashlight. Perfect for those late-night adventures or power outages. Let's talk cameras. On the front, you've got a 32MP selfie shooter, and on the back, a 64MP main camera, along with an auxiliary camera. You can even record video in up to 4K with EIS for smooth footage. The display is a 6.6-inch FHD Plus panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. That's going to give you smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. It's got a 1080 x 2408 resolution, 520 nits of maximum brightness, and Gorilla Glass 3 protection. For connectivity, you've got dual nano SIM slots, or you can use one SIM and a micro SD card. You've got all the usual 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G bands, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and precise navigation with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. And of course a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for secure unlocking. And let's not forget the RGB dynamic lighting on the back. It'll light up for notifications, calls, music, and more, adding a bit of flair to your device. Of course, this is a rugged phone, so it's built to take a beating. It's IP68 and IP69K rated for dust and water resistance, and it meets the MIL STD 810H military standard for drop protection. At 18.4 mm thick and 396G, it's definitely a hefty device, but that's the price you pay for this level of durability. So, there you have it. The Hotwav Hyper 7. It's a rugged, capable smartphone with a massive battery, 5G connectivity, and a solid set of features. Remember, we'll be doing a full comparison with the Hyper 7 Pro in a separate video, so stay tuned for that. If you're looking for a durable phone that can handle anything you throw at it, the Hyper 7 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.